Alright, we got a, I don't know, probably 12, 13 Cummins. This is the DEF module. Don't know how good that looked. Cut in a tight spot. What this is for is these little quick connects right here. Proper way to take those off is going to be to squeeze them like so. Of course, it's not going to do it right now. See, comes together like that, and that pops out. If you look inside there, you can see it spread. How it works. And there it goes. Just pops right in the side. This one, they bent the hell out of the box under it, and they busted that fitting. So, I don't know if you can see the crack right there, if it'll focus. Yeah. Either way, created a pretty good leak. About a quarter tank leaked out sitting overnight. There's your filter on this box on the back of the DEF tank, for those that don't know. And yeah, any information to add, you can comment or let me know, and I'll do my best to get it in there.